Often it is reported that our healthcare system is in crisis, and that the care in healthcare is running thin. With increasing cost of drugs and a poor-funded public healthcare system, everyone suffers. Primary care physicians graduate with mounds of debt and ever-increasing malpractice insurance rates. Forced into this financial position and subject to a healthcare system that determines their rates, they are forced to limit the time for and effectiveness of their treatments. With this crisis showing no signs of abating, many are searching for healthcare that will complement and fill the gaps created by this catastrophe. Rather than looking to the future for expensive technologies and bureaucratic change, people in need are turning to the past for an effective and safe alternative for their health and wellness. Many of these people are discovering an ancient form of medicine that has been treating 1/3 of the world's population for over 4,000 years. This answer is traditional Chinese medicine. Over 1,000 years ago, the Chinese first diagnosed diabetes and were able to treat it effectively without modern medicine. Conditions like bipolar disorder, seizures, even heart disease. Traditional Chinese medicine is the perfect complement to modern Western medicine. The conditions that Western medicine has difficulties with, TCM treats very well, and when a patient needs emergency surgery, an X-ray, or medications in the interim, while the body regains balance, we should turn to Western medicine. A doctor of traditional Chinese medicine is the greatest complementary physician to work side by side with your medical doctor. This ancient medicine has a new modern relevance in today's healthcare climate. Today in China, the modern and the traditional forms of medicine work side by side and are used in a unique synchronicity that is being recognized as the world's best example of combining the old with the new. This new paradigm has brought about tremendous results and has been able to provide healthcare in a country that is bursting at the seams with population demands. As the ancient form of healing is being recognized by the World Health Organization as a very effective therapy for treating hundreds of conditions, Western doctors the world over are recognizing its benefits as well. Patients, too, are seeking out traditional Chinese medicine for answers to their complex conditions and for relief that has remained elusive with current treatments. With this ever-increasing curiosity, millions are just asking what traditional Chinese medicine is. With over a 4,000-year history, TCM is an empirical science with billions of case studies recorded throughout its history. While there are over 8 main modalities in traditional Chinese medicine, the 2 most commonly used in the Western world are acupuncture and herbal medicine. Both work off the theory of the 5 elements. The 5 elements of fire, earth, metal, water, and wood correspond to each of the 5 main organs and their associated meridians or energy channels. The goal of any treatment in TCM is to return balance to the body. The most common image of this balance is that of the yin and yang symbol, which emphasizes the constant flow the body goes through and the need for the body to remain in homeostasis. Once this balance is achieved through treatment, the body is able to return itself back to wellness. Acupuncture is a painless and safe therapy that is able to induce a deep state of relaxation while it balances the body's energies and returns you to health. With over 400 acupuncture points that affect not only the body's organs and tissues, but also have a direct effect on one's emotions and can be used to treat countless emotional conditions. These sterile, disposable fine needles are inserted with guide tubes to reduce the insertion sensation. While the majority of points needles will elicit a sensation, 1 out of every 6 needles may feel similar to a mosquito bite, making acupuncture a painless procedure. The needles are retained for less than 20 minutes, but as you lay on our comfortable heated beds, listening to calming music, you may enter into sleep or just a deep state of relaxation. Treatments are recommended often at the beginning to maintain the equilibrium that has been established by the needle. Chinese medicine is a very complex therapy that has been using its medicinals for thousands of years, so you can be assured that no dangerous side effects will ever be experienced. In TCM, we use formulas rather than one herb at a time. This enables us to treat a variety of symptoms at once and uses a number of herbs to balance out the formula. In China, these herbs are given in their raw form and the patient boils the tea at home. Dr. McCollum gives his herbs to his patients in pill or tincture form from reputable manufacturers. Herbal formulas enable Dr. McCollum to maintain a condition over a long period of time. Dr. McCollum strives to provide you with a safe and effective healthcare experience. He combines the best of the old world with the new to bring you results and help you to feel comfortable as you use a form of therapy that may be new to you. Dr. McCollum has been practicing in Alberta for a number of years and has gained a reputation as the one to go to when everything else has failed. He works well with other physicians and his only goal is to get you better as quickly as possible. We invite you to visit him at www.drmccollum.ca, where you can locate his clinics, learn more about TCM, and how you too can become one of his many patients.